technically something that I picked up for myself. I did also pick up some other massaging stuff as well. Probably do some unboxing of those as well. But yeah, the women in my life drive me insane, and my job is stressful, and I need some little R&R. And I decided, look, COVID times, you can't really go out, you can't really get the sort of therapy that you might need. So why not try out the tech? So anyway, this is has something to do with air pressure. I also bought myself this helmet thing as well. I'm going to also do an unboxing of that as well. But anyway, back to this. Point pressure, it's got heat, compression, vibration, and it has some soothing music. I tried out the helmet and didn't really like the music, but you can just play your own music in the background. You know, you don't have to listen to the random sort of forest sounds or something. Anyway, go ahead and open this thing up and see exactly what's inside. Okay, so this covers the top of it. And let's take out this massager here. Heard of Breo back in a long time ago. I think during when I was in school, I actually had one of the Breo watches, like a rubberized cheap little watch. But anyway, it has a little pivot spring thing here, so it goes to the contour of your head. This is nice and soft, so it feels like some sort of suede material. Elastic strap at the back as well. Weight wise, it doesn't seem too heavy. I'm assuming if I'm going to put this on my head, it may apply some pressure to my nose. So when I use like an Oculus or a VR headset or anything like that, I do find after some time the weight of it, oh, my light turned off, the weight of this thing actually pushes down, and it does actually start hurting your nose, but hopefully this doesn't. Also inside the box, check out the accessories. Most likely to be like a charging cable or something. Apologies for my voice, actually a bit ill. My little one got a cold, decided to warm him up, and got a cold from him. Anyway, micro USB cable, which is I would have hoped it would be like a USB-C, but I guess they just use a micro USB cable. And again, you get this is just a basic sort of tote-like bag, so it's just a canvas branded bag to store the actual headset in. And inside here you have yourself, I believe it's just a standard iPhone like 5 volt, iPhone like 5 volt 1 amp power adapter. So that's essentially the headset. I'm going to put this stuff back because I won't need that just now, and I'll also put this back as well. And that is the headset just there. On button just there, so let's just turn it on. Here we are. So it's on right now, and it says heat air, full power, 10 minutes in sleep mode. So that's the headset. We'll be using this now, and hopefully this gives me some peace of mind. I can feel that the little pressure points are pressing right there. So yeah, this has been Ace. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing, and yeah, if you do some fun, this was actually on a deal online, like a time only deal, something like that. I think it was £85-90 marked down to near about 60. So yeah, if you find these offers, go ahead, jump on those things, and maybe this might be useful to you as well. Anyway, this has been Ace. Like, subscribe, as always. Peace out.